Parking may seem simple, but for operators, managing a parking facility involves many different tasks. They need to control vehicle access, guide drivers to available spaces, handle payments smoothly, and monitor the entire parking area. At Inner Traffic, we are demonstrating how Hikvision helps make parking operations smarter and more efficient. Let's start with the parking entrance. When the vehicle arrives, the ANPR camera automatically reads the license plate. If the vehicle is authorized, the barrier gates open automatically. No ticket, no waiting. For smaller sites, operators can even open the barriers remotely through a mobile app, allowing them to manage vehicles access from anywhere. Once inside the parking lot, drivers need to find an available space quickly. Our cameras and sensors monitor each parking space, updating the status in real time. You can see it here. Green means available, red means occupied. Drivers can also check the numbers of available spaces on LED parking guidance displays, helping them find parking faster and reducing unnecessary circulation inside the parking lot. Here we also have a live demo of our parking sensor. Traditional sensors often require digging into the ground, but this sensor can simply be placed on the surface, making installation much faster and easier. And the battery can last up to 5 years, reducing maintenance effort for operators. After parking, drivers need an easy way to complete their payment. Hikvision provides a compact parking payment terminal that supports credit card and QR code payment. Drivers simply pay at the terminal, and when they exit, the system verifies the license plate and opens the barrier automatically. This creates a ticketless and seamless parking experience, reducing queues and improving traffic flow. Parking management doesn't stop at the entrance. In large outdoor parking areas, operators also need to know where vehicles are parked and how the parking lot is being used. Hikvision's outdoor parking solution provides real-time visibility of the entire parking area. On the platform, operators can see a live map of the parking lot. Green spaces are available, red spaces are occupied. This allows operators to monitor parking status instantly and manage the parking area more effectively. If operators need to locate a specific vehicle, they can search instantly. This function is powered by AcuSeek, built on Guanlan, Hikvision's large-scale AI model. Operators can search not only by the license plate, but also by vehicle color, type, and other attributes. All devices are connected to HikCentral. Operators can monitor entry and exit, parking occupancy, and the parking analytics from the single platform, helping them improve efficiency and optimize parking operation. From vehicle access to parking guidance to payment and management, Hikvision provides an end-to-end smart parking solution, indoor and outdoor, helping drivers park faster and helping operators manage parking more efficiently.